chicken. Run up on me, you go missing. You a hero, I'm a villain. Turning no cave in the ceiling.
You too, it's your boy Drizzy Dre, and I'm back again with another banger. But today, I'm about to teach y'all how to wash your waves for beginners. Now I was running miles today, but right now, I'm about to show y'all the right way how to wash your hair without losing progress. Cause y'all might see me doing scramble washes in the past few videos, but that method is not meant for beginners. Cause once they scramble their hair, they're gonna lose a lot of progress because the hair is not trained yet. And I don't want that to happen to y'all. So I'm about to show y'all the right way how to wash it. So make sure y'all stay tuned after I show y'all this intro.
Like New Jersey draw, yeah. Let's hit the road, yeah. Let's hit the road, yeah. I'm hella geek, man. This on me and she hella freak. Diamonds on my ring and them bitches looking hella sweet. Broke up with your man, cause that boy acting hella cheap. Now I'm finna dive in that thing and it's hella deep. Tryna vlog.
Now the first thing you gotta do is to comb your hair if you're wolfing like me, so your hairs could be untangled. Next, you apply shampoo, but I forgot to record the first time while applying shampoo, so I'm gonna show y'all the second time. Now you want to hop in the shower and rinse out the shampoo with warm water because it will open up your pores and it will give your hair a deep cleanse. And while you rinse it out, make sure you rub your waves with the grain of your pattern. Once you hop out of the shower, it is best to use your comb to find your crown and then untangle your waves. After you use the comb, it is best to use a detangle brush, which will automatically get your waves back. And my fault for not recording me putting shampoo again, but if you notice that the shampoo is lathered up my hair a lot more than before because my hair is clean now. And you gotta make sure that you're brushing in your wave pattern so you won't cause no forks. Now, you want to go in with the hard brush, which will definitely get your waves in there right now. And the reason why I love this brush, because it has helped me fix my connections in this past week, especially while I was vertical brushing a lot. And this flat brush right here will help you connect your waves better in the front rather than using the curved brush. Now I'm going to use this Torino curve brush, which will help isolate my crown, and do not mind me because I just dropped my mirror, but I'm back. And it is best to use the pointy tip of the brush, which will help fix your crown a lot better. And this brush works on certain angles that the flat brush couldn't do in the back. Now, I'm gonna use this hair growth oil I made myself, which will help keep my hair moisturized, and I'm gonna let you know more about it towards the end of the video. And the last thing you want to do before you rinse out the shampoo is to tie your do-rag and double compress it with a stocking cap so your hair will be extra laid. And make sure you rinse out your hair with cold water, because cold water will eliminate frizz, and you don't want your hair to be frizzy, because that's not the point of this method, and I'm trying to give you all the best results. This washing style really blessed me. And if y'all wondering what type of oil I put inside my hair, this is a hair growth oil I made recently, but I'm about to start selling it soon. I like the way how it smells because I use a lavender flavor inside of it. But if y'all want some of the oil, y'all can DM me right now at bmg.juicydre. And if you do like the results of the washing style, leave a comment down below right here. Don't forget to smash that like button and to subscribe for more content, because I'm about to drop a new video on how to get silky waves with nappy hair. And don't forget to follow my IG at bmg.juicydre, and make sure y'all follow the swim team. So I'm out. Peace.